Did you know that the real estate industry has made over 160 billionaires worldwide, ranking the top 3 most profitable industry in the world? This video is a guide to address new landowners' concerns on what they need to know before they make payments, problems you can stumble on in the industry, and common mistakes new land investors should avoid. So, in order to get practical experience, I went for land inspection with the realtors on a tour bus and with the clients on day 2. I wanted to understand the concerns new landowners have before they purchase a land. So if you want to own land, diversify your wealth into real estate, then this video is for you. Hello investors, you guys know I'm all about investing, how to make billions from your naira. Yes, today I'm going to be talking about land, real estate. You guys know that investing in real estate is recession proof, especially when you buy the right piece at the right location. So I'm actually on a tour to check out lands and you guys are going to come into it. So day 1 was with realtors to get a proper view of the land location and prices. What it comes with, the features the land comes with, perimeter fencing, electricity, water. We had to know all this to actually sell to our clients and get our client the best deals available. Now we also were informed the standard plot size and we were told that each corner piece that has 2 access road attracts an extra 15%. In this store, I found out that the lands are being sold at different prices based on their utility and plot size. Now, a land that is for residential purpose, meaning a buy and build land, could be way less expensive than a land that is for industrial purpose, which is to build factory, while the land for agricultural purpose is least expensive compared to residential. So it's important that landowners know the use of the land before buying. Don't just say I want to buy land because you know that lands are asset. You have to ask yourself, what am I buying the land for? Is it to buy and build rental properties or your own home, build your own home, or for agricultural purpose? This is so important as it affects the size of the land, the location of the land, and the price of the land. On day 2, I went to the clients for land inspection. Before we set out to the land, to the site, we were briefed in the boardroom about the different types of land available, the plot sizes, its location and landmark, the terms and conditions of buying a land with the company. Hello investors, today we are out with our clients for inspection. As you guys know, it's very important for you to see your land before buying to avoid it was here. Yeah, baby. The reason because there have been so many court cases regarding land dispute. So if you're not in that city, in that state or country, get a representative that can stand in for you to go check out the land. It is so important to know where your land is located before buying. Now, if you're buying a layout, you're free to buy and build however you want. But if you are buying in an estate, you are required to use a black roof. The estate tells you how to build, and this varies according to different estates. But they also provide you with drainage system, electricity, perimeter fencing, and road network. Another question the client asked is how they accept payments. So some lands are sold outrightly, meaning there is no instrumental payment attached to it, while some land can have a spread of 3 to 6 months with an initial deposit. Now, once you make payments, there are 4 documents that are supposed to be given to you as proof of payment. Number 1 is the receipt of payment. The second one is title of sale. The third is deed of conveyance. And the fourth one is a document of survey showing the land has been surveyed by surveyors and is exactly at that landmark. Do you know that most billionaires in the world are created in real estate or equity, meaning they own lands and companies? And if you are striving to become a billionaire investor, investing in land is one thing you should not miss out on. So I hope this video was very helpful to new landowners and it answers all your questions. Please tell me where you are watching from, and if you have any questions concerning getting land, please type it in the comment section and I'll be there. Thank you for watching. I'm Prisca John Chris. This is Crystal Invest. Bye.